Love and Solar. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will introduce you our new design solar motion sensor wall light with remote control. This one, yes, this one is selling very well now because the design is very good and different country, the people in different countries contact us for this. You see, the packing is very strong for protection. Yes, the back and inside the box, remote control and the battery for remote control. Yes, inside. Later I will show you. Inside the box also with instruction, the manual instruction. Yes. Yes, the very good quality because the material. You can see aluminum alloy. Very strong, durable. Yes, solar panel here, LED, the lamp shape here, and the battery built inside. Okay, because the solar light is designed for outdoor use, so we made the design waterproof, IP65. It's waterproof and dust proof. Okay. Now let me show you the lighting mode of this solar light. Inside the box. Yeah, inside the box you can see the screws and the pin for screws. Yes, the pin. Okay, the pin to activate. Here, you can see a hole here. Here you can see on and off, and beside here there is a hole. We need to activate first. Okay, after we activate, it means that the solar light already activate. And this solar light have a 3 different lighting mode. After we activate, it will come to the first lighting mode directly. Okay, like this way. And the first lighting mode is, you can see how it works. Okay. Okay, the first lighting mode is dim light. If nobody there, it's dim light. Yeah, when I pass by, it's come to full light. This is the first lighting mode. And we use the remote control to select the second lighting mode. Okay, place the second lighting mode. When you see it flash, it means second lighting mode is working. The second lighting mode is no dim light, but turn off if nobody there. You will see later. Yes, it's off. Totally off if nobody there. This lighting mode is for energy saving. Especially when the sunlight is not good or in the winter, sunlight not good. You can use this lighting mode for energy saving. Yeah. When people pass by, it's time to blind again. Yeah. This is the This is the second lighting mode. Yeah, we can place the button, the third lighting mode for the third button, the third lighting mode. Flash. Okay. You see, the third lighting mode is always bright with the motion sensor until the morning. There are no motion sensor. And the third lighting mode is need more energy, so it means that the second lighting mode is more energy saving, and the third lighting mode is need more power, so you can choose the lighting mode based on your need. Sometimes different countries have different requirement or different condition. You can choose the lighting mode suitable for you. And if you want to back to the first lighting mode, you can place the button to first lighting mode here. And if you want to turn off the light, you can also place the button, the red one, to turn off. You see, yes? Turn off. And turn on. Yeah, this is the remote control. It's very useful. Okay. Okay, now I show you how to install the solar light. Inside the box, 2 screws here. 2 screws. Yeah, 2 screws. And here is the mounter. You can use the screw here and for the hole, and then mount it on the wall like this. It's very easy to install and no need cable. And because it's easy install, so you can install anywhere you need illumination, on the wall, on the gate, door, or even in the park, in the garden, you can install it. Yes. LifeM Solar, we have many different lighting for outdoor. If you want to know more information, you can visit our website, lifemsolar.com. Yeah, we have many options for you to choose. LifeM Solar, our mission is help you to save. Our mission is help you to save the cost and solar the light and heal the world. Thank you.